In this video, we are going to discuss the nomenclature of alcohols. Here are 4 simple steps to correctly name the alcohol. In the first step, we have to identify the parent chain. Then we have to identify the substituents connected to the parent chain. And in the third step, we have to look carefully at the position of the OH group or the hydroxyl group so that it takes the lowest numbering possible. In the last step, we put the substituents in alphabetical order, all together with the parent chain, to give the compound the final name. Here is one of the simplest examples, ethanol. We have here 1, 2 carbons, so it should be eth. And there are no CC double bonds or CC triple bonds, then it takes ane, plus the suffix of the functional group here should be ol. So in the end, it should be ethanol. So the functional group OH gives the compound a suffix, the suffix ol. Another example here, I can number from here, from the right, like 1, 2, 3, 4, or the vice versa from here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So which numbering is correct? The numbering where the OH group or the hydroxyl group takes the lowest numbering possible is preferred, or is correct, or is more correct, I should say. So I have to remove this, and the nomenclature, the correct nomenclature here should be, I should start numbering from the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this compound is called 3-methyl 2-butanol. How about a compound like this one? I can start off from here, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But here, if I start from the right, the hydroxyl group takes the position number 5. And if I start from here, 1, 2, then the hydroxyl group takes numbering number 2, or the position number 2. So it's always preferred that the hydroxyl group takes the second position rather than 5th position. So the nomenclature or the numbering from the left is preferred. So this should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this should be called 5,5 dichloro 2, because OH group or hydroxyl group on the second carbon here, and we have here hexanol, so 2-hexanol. What about a cyclic system here? For example, cycloalkane. The cycloalkane or cyclohexane, what if there is a hydroxyl group attached to one carbon of the carbons of the cyclohexane? Then we have something like, of course, this is carbon number 1, so this is simply called cyclohexanol. Cyclohexanol, right? This is cyclohexanol. And yeah, there is no double bond here. It's just one bond, carbon-oxygen bond. What about this compound? I can start numbering from the chlorine atom, or I can start numbering from the functional group here. So as I said, the OH group or hydroxyl group takes the higher priority than the halogens. So I will start numbering from here. So this is 1, carbon number 2, 3, and 4. So this compound should be called 4-chloro 1-cyclohexanol, or simply 4-chlorocyclohexanol. 4-chlorocyclohexanol. Now, a more difficult example. We have two substituents, chlorine and bromine, as you can see here. So I can start numbering, like I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So here I have like the 3 bromo and 6 chloro. If I start the vice versa, so I could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, then I have something like 2 chloro, and 5 bromo, right? So the summation of the numbering of the substituent here is 9, and the summation of the numbering of the substituent here is 7. So this is more correct. So the name of this compound should be 2-chloro, 2-chloro. I should go from this side, I mean, yeah, 2-chloro and 5-bromo, cyclohexanol. You can also have like cyclo uh, pentanol, cyclopentanol, and something like cyclobutanol, or simply sorry, propanol. What if you have something like this? What would you call it? Let's think first, from which side should we number? Should we number from the left or should we number from the right? Of course, from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this should be 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is hexane. So 2, 3, 4 hexane triol. Or you can simply say hexane 2, 3, 4 triol. These were the IPAC nomenclature. How about the common names? So we have something like, let's say this. This is methanol. We already know that. This as a common name could be called methyl or methyl alcohol. Something like this. 1, 2. This is ethyl alcohol. What if we have something like this, where the hydroxyl group is paired on the second carbon here, or is located on the second carbon here? So this should be called isopropyl alcohol. How about naming this compound in the conventional way? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This should be sec butanol. And this one, where you have 3 methyl groups on the, or 3 alkyl chains on the carbon, on the center carbon, which is attached to the hydroxyl group or the hydroxyl group. This one is called tert, tertiary. This is a prefix from tertiary, tert butyl or butyl alcohol. Because here you have 4 carbon atoms. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.